Okay, welcome back, guys. Today we took 3 trades, 2 wins and 1 losses. Okay, so our first trade was a short. It was a very small small win. The 4-hour was kind of like, in my opinion, it was bearish, but it was in like a structure, a bullish slash structure of consolidation, and the 30-minute was ranging. I said it was a decent trade. We kind of went against our bias, but we sniped a 4-hour equilibrium, and we exited very quickly. This was a very small win. It was more of a snipe than a day trade, and we entered on a 5-minute inverse fair value gap, break of structure, and a fair value gap. So here's the first one. As you can see, we entered on this line, and this 4-hour higher time frame equilibrium was our target. So boom, we hit our take profit 1, got stopped out at break even here, and then it hit our take profit 2, but it doesn't matter because it was kind of just a small, as I was saying, a snipe trade. I wasn't in it for a long term. Our next short was a bit of a nice bigger win. The 30-minute was bearish, 4 hours bearish. I said this was a good trade. We followed all rules and our bias, entered on a 5-minute break of structure, fair value gap, and an inverse fair value gap. But we could possibly have entered a few candles earlier. Let me show you guys. So here it was. We hit take profit 1 here, take profit 2 down here. But if you can see, we actually broke structure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 candles prior to when we entered. So right here, we could have entered here, take stop loss above here, take profit 1, 2, maybe 3. Could have hit maybe 3, but that's if we're being generous. 3 take profits if we entered a little bit earlier. But I usually wait for our 5-minute confluences to get hit within London session. Like you see this fair value gap over here, it got invalidated within the zone. So I kind of wanted a confluence like this fair value gap, which got hit within the zone, instead of this inverse fair value gap that did actually get invalidated within the zone, but the fair value gap was actually only formed at the end of Asia session. So I'm not too sure. I'll get more clarity with that as we go on trading more. And our third trade was a loss. 4 hours bearish, 30-minute was bearish. We shorted. All 3 were shorts. I said it was an okay trade. We followed all rules and plans. We should have exited at break even as New York session at New York session open, as our rules say. We could have halved the loss. We entered on a 5-minute break of structure as well as a liquidity sweep, halved loss. So yeah, those were our 3 trades, and here's the third one. Tried to short just like right down here, pretty close, but we never hit it. So yeah, those were the 3 trades. What I meant to say, like here, we never hit stop loss until down here. So I actually waited like here around this area. We should have exited early before New York session swept our stop loss, as our rules say. We would have saved some money that we would have lost, that we did lose. But yeah, those were the 3 trades, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye.